Hello friends, have you ever thought about preparing a mango tree that grows twice as fast as an ordinary tree and has roots that are exceptional at absorbing nutrients from the soil? Today I am going to show you double root stock grafting. This is not ordinary grafting, rather it is a technique that can make your mango plant super productive. So let's learn this technique step by step to see how it is possible. To perform this method, you will need two mango seedlings onto which we will graft a scion. The scion should be taken from a tree that already produces high quality fruits so that fruiting begins quickly. With this method, the prepared plant starts fruiting in just 1.5 to 2 years. Remove all leaves from the scion and carve it into a V shape. To carve it, use a clean and sharp paper cutter or blade. Ensure it is not rusted. If your cutter or blade is not clean or has rust, sanitize it first with hydrogen peroxide or rubbing alcohol. Regarding the root stock, while it can be of any unknown variety, it is best if it is a wild variety. The roots of wild mango varieties grow deeper, which allows them to draw more strength. Their immunity is also much stronger, resulting in fewer diseases in the grafted plant. You need to carve the root stock to the same length as you carved the scion. As you can see here, we have carved both the root stock and the scion to equal lengths so that they fit together perfectly. Keep one thing in mind here. Do not set the scion exactly in the center of the root stock. Since the scion is thicker than the root stock, you must align the skin on at least one side for the grafting to be successful. After this, tie it airtight using stretchable plastic. The root stock is quite tender here, so even if you tie it with a light hand, it will connect effectively. After grafting, plant it in a small pot or a nursery bag. For the soil mix, approximately 70% normal soil with 30% well decomposed cow dung manure. After planting, cover the scion with a transparent plastic bag to create humidity, which will encourage faster sprouting. Keep the plant in semi-shade. Friends, this is the first update after 2 weeks and new growth has already started. This is the second update after 18 days. It has grown significantly and now just the leaves need to unfurl. This is the third update after 20 days. In this update, you can see that the leaves have started opening and it looks quite attractive. This is the fourth update after 5 months. Now is the time to permanently remove the grafting plastic. This fifth update that you are seeing now is at 8 months. It will start fruiting from the next season. Friends, have you ever tried grafting? Do share your experience in the comment section. This 8-month journey video deserves a like and a share. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.